Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this cryptocurrency platform, which is Tronlink Wallet. So to get started, a quick analysis and a breakdown about this platform, which is Tronlink Wallet. So to get started, Tronlink Wallet is the go-to option for users active in the Tron blockchain ecosystem. It supports TRX, TRC token, staking, DApp access, and even voting on a governance available on mobile app and a browser extension. It offers full self-custody, meaning you can control your private key. It also includes a key features like encrypted storage and an optional biometric for extra security. Then said, users have reported issues with failed transaction, unexpected fee, and a poor customer support. Some also claim they experience wallet bug or even suspicious activities involving their fund. While it is a strong pick if you are heavily invested in Tron and know your way around W3 tools, it may not be the most reliable or user-friendly wallet for everyone in 2025. Make sure to take strong security precaution and always double-check transaction whenever you make any. And that's it.